Save on low income. Number 1, living on a low income can feel stressful, but smart habits can completely change your financial future. Number 2, the first step is knowing exactly how much money you have and where it is going every month. Number 3, creating a simple budget gives every dollar a purpose and helps you stay in control. Number 4, even small amounts of cash matter when you manage them carefully and consistently. Number 5, reviewing your receipts can reveal spending habits that quietly hurt your progress. Number 6, planning your bills in advance reduces stress and prevents late payment problems. Number 7, saving coins and small change may look minor today, but builds real results over time. Number 8, using envelope budgeting helps you separate money and avoid overspending. Number 9, cooking meals at home is one of the fastest ways to save money on a low income. Number 10, simple ingredients can create healthy meals without expensive takeout costs. Number 11, meal prepping saves both money and time during a busy week. Number 12, bringing lunch from home can save hundreds of dollars every year. Number 13, refillable water bottles cut unnecessary daily spending on drinks. Number 14, comparing prices before buying helps you make smarter shopping decisions. Number 15, store brands often give the same value for a lower price. Number 16, reading price labels carefully protects your budget from impulse spending. Number 17, using a calculator while shopping keeps your total under control. Number 18, digital coupons are an easy way to reduce costs instantly. Number 19, buying essentials in bulk can lower the long-term cost of groceries. Number 20, walking past expensive displays helps you avoid buying what you do not need. Number 21, turning off lights when not needed lowers your monthly bills. Number 22, unplugging and use electronics prevents hidden energy waste. Number 23, adjusting your thermostat wisely can save money every single month. Number 24, checking utility bills regularly helps you spot problems early. Number 25, canceling subscriptions you do not use frees up valuable cash. Number 26, deleting shopping apps removes constant temptation from your phone. Number 27, saying no to impulse purchases is a powerful money habit. Number 28, closing shopping websites before buying gives you time to think clearly. Number 29, a side hustle can create extra income and more financial freedom. Number 30, working online from home can be a smart way to earn more. Number 31, small delivery or service jobs can help cover important expenses. Number 32, every extra payment received is a chance to improve your future. Number 33, move part of your income to savings before you spend it. Number 34, watching your savings goal grow builds motivation and confidence. Number 35, selling items you no longer use turns clutter into cash. Number 36, packing sold items means you are creating money from things you already own. Number 37, riding a bicycle instead of driving can reduce transport costs. Number 38, walking more often saves money and improves health at the same time. Number 39, public transport is often cheaper than owning and using a car daily. Number 40, free books and learning resources can increase your income potential later. Number 41, exercising at home saves gym fees and supports your health goals. Number 42, free outdoor activities let families enjoy life without overspending. Number 43, tracking expenses daily keeps you focused and accountable. Number 44, no-spend days are a great way to reset habits and save faster. Number 45, reviewing your weekly budget helps you stay consistent and improve. Number 46, every small saving milestone proves progress is possible. Number 47, financial peace grows when your family works together with smart habits. Number 48, low income does not mean no future, because smart choices today create a better tomorrow. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs smart money tips today.